Yeah. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to do your investment, and how to start your own online company. So, as I've already told you that I'm always here to talk about how to start your own online company. Right now, I want to show you how you can start an online company with no money. No money. So this thing did a lot of great things in my life since last year. Yeah. And as a good mentor, I want to reveal one of my secrets to success for you to also what participate. But if in case you want me to mentor you, I'm always there for you, baby. I'm always there for you. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let's go straight to the point. Yeah, so this lesson is digital products. Yeah, digital products is selling some things online, like things that are digital. That is not physical. Yeah. So people will be saying that but digital product is not moving in Ghana, blah 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 blah. But it's moving in Ghana. Yeah, so this product changed my life last year. So I did three version of this product. And in one just a day, I sold 8 copies without even sharing it. So I'm here to review how I came about this product and how like I was able to to sold 45 copies. So this one of my markets, and I've opened it for you to see that like the date and everything was just a date. So you see the date, you see, let me mark it for you to see. So you see the dates, you see they are all 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Yeah, yeah. So this how I was able to do it. So this how I was able to do it. Yeah. So this how I was able to do it. Yeah. So this product, I generated this product with what? Chat GPT. Yeah, Chat GPT. I generated this product with Chat GPT. So everything the product name is on in $45 daily or in 45 cities daily. So 845 cities daily. Yeah, that's the product name. And this is how I did it. So I came to Chat GPT to generate a product. And first of all, before you generate a product that is really making sense or that's really selling online, you have to ask ChatGPT that what are the biggest topics that is making waves or that is selling in your niche. So if I say niche, I'm the niche of business. So I do mostly about how to make money online. So I find topics about how to make money online. So in this case, if you are also in the niche of let's say food or something like health, you can also find a better niche in in your section and make good use of it without spending any money in it. Is that thing? Yeah. So that's how I was able to get this product and what make good use of it. So in this digital market, you don't need any capital. All you need is what your sense and how smart and how eager you are to make money online. You don't need any investment. So let's say if I come to ChatGPT, I'll be like, okay, write a nice or write a lucrative, lucrative topic about how to make money, about how to make money online. You see that thing? Then I'll command it, and like you see, this is the topic: mastering freelancing platform, e-commerce entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing mastery. So it will give you some basic topics, and after that, you will what generate your course outline. So let's say cryptocurrency and online trading. So I'll come like and I'll be like I'll copy it and I'll be like write a ebook a ebook outline for I written it, and it will write everything for me. Then I'll generate the points one by one. So this is how I was able to make this money. And I have more than four stores. Yeah, I have more than four stores. I have Rando Tech Store, Ken Rhymes Tech Store. I have I have I have Ghana Store. I have a lot of stores. Is that right thing? Yeah, I have a lot of stores, and that's how you have to do it. Don't just like create one store. Let's say you can say like, okay, make money online store, health store. Yeah, like how we do Shopify, so that thing. Yeah. So I did this thing and I did this one by one. After that, I published the book, and how we publish the book, everything. If you contact me, I will show you, and how you can do your cover, everything. I will show you everything. So this is how I was able to do it and publish the book, and within 24 hours I was able to sell more than 45 plus copies. Yeah, 45 plus copies. Yeah. So it's very simple. Like it's very simple and lucrative. And like if you want to start your don't let anyone tell you that digital marketing is like it's scam or it's not lucrative or it will not make you money. Don't let anyone lie you. You see that thing? It will not anyone lie you, because digital marketing, drop shipping, everything, it's making sense in Ghana. If only you know how to do it well. Like it's really making sense in Ghana. Yeah. So in this case, you will need ChatGPT, you will need Seller, and you will need your social media. So that's where you market your products. So how you can market your data products on Facebook? That one, so I'll show you the trick. TikTok too, I'll show you the trick. Everything, I'll show you all the tricks. Yeah. So I think I'm done. And in case you want to know more about this thing, yeah, link up and I'll show you how to do it. Because digital product is really making sense in Ghana. Yeah, it's really making sense in Africa. Yeah. So that's how it is. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Ken Rhymes. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm out.